Good morning, students. We have completed our fifth lesson, the 12 months. We took to complete this lesson. We took 3 periods, correct or not? And I think you have understood the story of Marukla, Helena, and the stepmother of Marukla, correct? Now here there are some questions. Question number 1 you have completed in notebook. Question number 2, which I told you yesterday, that was only half question which I told you to complete. I told you to do what? Stepmother word was given, then you have to write down what in further in another box what you have to write down, step plus mother. Footprint, foot plus print. Snow White, snow plus white. Springtime, spring plus time. Gentle hearted, gentle plus hearted. Anywhere, any plus where. That you have done? Yes. Then below that question only you have to write down second question again, that now write other meaningful words that begin or end with. Now the words which begin or end with the first letter, here it is given in book, the first word in each, and the second word in each, okay. What you have to do now? Stepmother is there. What we have done of the stepmother? We have done step plus mother. Now what we have to do? We have to take first letter of step, and which letter of second word we have to take? We have to take second word for second. 2 words we have to make. 1 word we have to make from S and 1 word we have to make from M. So now which words you will able to make from these words? For example, now stepmother. Stepmother means what you have done? Step plus mother. Now we want 1 word from S and we want 1 word from M. Now what examples you are going to write down? Answers what you are going to write down? You have to write down in same way everything, and further you have to write down stepdaughter. I have taught you this word in lesson. Step daughter, okay. And from mother, from M, we have to make another word. Which word you can make from mother? You can make another word. Now here also step plus daughter. Motherhood, MOTHERHOOD. मदर प्लस हुड. व्हॉट वी हॅव डन? आपण काय केलं आहे? स्टेपचा एस घेतला आणि मदरचा एम घेतला. स्टेपच्या एसपासून आपण काय केला? एक स्पेलिंग तयार केलं. अँड फ्रॉम मदर्स फर्स्ट लेटर एम वी मेड 1 वर्ड. अँड दिस वर्ड्स आर ऑल्सो हाऊ? दॅट आर कंबाइंड वर्ड्स. 2 words आर कंबाइंड, राईट ऑर नॉट? स्टेप daughter, motherhood. Now if you want to separate this, what it will become? Step plus daughter, and here it will become mother plus hood. Understood? In same way we are going to do now footprint. Now when we want to do, we want first word of F and first word of print. Now you have to make 2 words from this. Now if you want to make from F, then it will become footstep. Footstep. FOOT, foot plus STEP, step. 1 word is over. Now second word which we are going to do from P. What word you can make from P? Print. Something you have to add to this word print, front side. Here what we have done? We have added some word to step and we have written daughter. Here mother we have taken word and front side we have added hood. Now here foot word we have taken, we wrote footstep. Now from print, what another word will become? PRINT, print out. Print plus out. Understood? Have you understood or not? We have to take first word and we have to add something, and again second word you have to add something to that word also. So it is going to make more 2 meaningful words. Now snow. Snowfall. We have taken which word? We have taken snow word, and to that we have combined which word to that snow word? We have combined FALL, fall. So what word we have done? Snowfall. And if you will separate snowfall word, what it will become? Snow plus fall. Understood? Now next word is white. So what word you can make from white? White. Your hair are white, correct? Your dress is white. If you want to make of white hair, then what else write? White haired. White haired means white haired means what? The person who has white hair. So if you will combine, if you will separate this word, what it will become? White plus haired. Understood? White plus haired. Snow plus fall. Everywhere we have taken first word here, second word here, first word here, and second word where we have taken, second word we have taken here. Have you understood or not? Here also first word we have taken here, and white word we have taken here. From every word we have made two words more, correct? This is one, third, second and third, first, second, third. Now springtime. When we will take this word springtime, little downside I will take it. Springtime, SPRING, springtime. Now I want to take first word spring. When I will take first word spring, SPRING, spring. Now which word, if I will combine two words spring, it will become something meaningful word? Spring cleaning. Yes, spring cleaning. What new word we have made? Spring cleaning. And if you want to separate these words, it will become what? Spring plus cleaning. Now after spring, what is the springtime? After time, now we want to add time word. Now what word we can add to time? If I will take time word here, TIME, time, and table, TABLE, time table. If I will separate these two words, it will become time plus table. And when I will combine these words, it will become time table. Have you understood everywhere? First word we have taken, we have made another word. Second word we have taken, we have combined some another word to it, so we have made another word. Here now gentle hearted. What is next word? Gentle hearted. Now gentle and hearted I am taking down, okay? Now gentle men. When I will add M or when I will combine men to gentle, what word will become? It will become gentleman. What it has become? It has become gentleman. And if I want to add some another word for hearted, if I want to add something to hearted, what I can add over there? Can anyone tell? Good hearted, yes. More polite hearted, yes. Gentleman or gentleman we have done. So hearted, what we can do? We can do good hearted, yes. Lion hearted. Lion hearted means brave person. If I will give you lion hearted or good hearted, both examples I will take, okay? LION, lion dash. Lion hearted means what? Brave. A person who has brave heart, that person is known as lion hearted. So lion hearted, gentleman. If we will separate this word, see what it will become? Gentle plus man, okay? Or gentleman also you can take, man, gentleman, one man. And if I want to take off hearted, then you can say lion hearted, then good hearted, good hearted. The person who has good heart, you can say good hearted. Understood? Now we are going to take next. Now this gentle we have taken here and hearted examples we have taken here. Now any, 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 and where. Now any, we want to add some another word for any time, any plus time, anytime. You can call me anytime. You say like this, simply you say yes or no, anytime. You can call me anytime. Are you understanding or not? Or is there any problem to you? No. Now next example is of where. Anywhere, everywhere. So if I want to add any word for this, or wherever, wherever, correct. Some more examples which I will give you of where is anywhere also will come. No, already anywhere is there. Everywhere, everywhere, yes. Everywhere. Every plus where. So what word it has become? Everywhere. More. Anything will come out for where. Everywhere, wherever, or more what examples can come of where. I think this much is enough for you. Anytime now, any place, any place, any plus place. You can call me at any place, any place. So these are some examples you have written yesterday. What you have done, you have combined stepmother, you have written step plus mother, footprint, foot plus print, Snow White, snow plus white, springtime, spring plus time, gentle hearted, gentle plus hearted, anywhere, any plus where. Now here what you have to do, you have to write down same question, further you have to continue with same question. Now write other meaningful words that begin or end with. Now which begin or end with first word and second word, and you have to write down these examples. I think you can see those examples properly, yes or no? I think in video you can see examples properly. And what you have to do, you have to make two columns. What you have to do, you have to make two columns. Stepmother, make two columns, write down stepdaughter, motherhood, footprint, then footstep, print out, snowfall, whitehead, spring cleaning, timetable, then gentleman, lion hearted, any time or any place, and here everywhere. You can make what? You can make two columns. Have you understood? This is your second question. Now we are going to study is third question. Now what is given in third question? It is told that answer the following questions. What you have to do? Answer the following questions. Now in first question it is given, why did Marukla's stepmother hate her? Now the answer of this question is what? Why did Marukla's mother hate her? Marukla's mother hated her because she was prettier than Helena. What is answer? She was prettier than Helena. Who was prettier than Helena? Marukla was prettier than Helena. So first question which is given here is, why did Marukla's, now question number 3, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First one, why did Marukla's stepmother hate her? Now I am just writing answers, okay? No, so first answer, you can see questions in your exercise, in your textbook, questions are there. Now answer you are going to write down, Marukla's stepmother hated her. Marukla's stepmother hated her because she was prettier, because she was prettier than her own daughter, What is name of her own daughter? She is prettier than her own daughter Helena. So this is the first answer of the first question. Now you can continue in today's homework. You can complete second question and you can complete the first answer of third question. Question number 3. Main question number 3 is that from that first question is asked why Marukala's mother hated her. So you can write down answer. Marukala's stepmother hated her because she was prettier than her own daughter Helena. Second, third, fourth and fifth, and question number 4. Okay, total 4 questions are there. From that we are on third question. More 4 questions are there in this main third question. After completing that 4 questions, then main again fourth question we will complete in next period. Okay, I think you have understood till here. You have understood story. You have I am telling you question answers also, word meanings also you have written. And please read lesson. Whenever we complete some lesson, or if you don't have any work and you get bored in the house, you can take out your English book and you can read your English lessons. Are you getting? Some lessons are interesting. You can read lessons which are there in further chapters. Okay. Thank you for today. See you tomorrow.